Okay, this is Patrick and Alex doing lab 5/2. I'm going to be starting and stopping the clock watch, and he's going to be launching the projectiles. And here we go.
Alright, we have said rocket launcher and everything else we need. We start with a point where we're going to be launching from. This is going to stay there because it's heavy enough. We put the protractor there at the point and the rocket launcher. Aim it for 90 degrees as best we can.
Okay, and ready, go. And it landed over here, and I got the time. It was 1:56.
1.56?
Yep.
So we got 1.56 seconds, and you're seeing this. We plug that into our formula for velocity because it's constant and all that and blah blah blah. We have 1/2 times 9.8 meters per second squared, which is gravity, times 1.56 seconds squared. So when we square that, we got 1.56 squared. You can see that, right?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Which ends up with that number, 2.4336 seconds squared. So we take away that term there, and those cancel out, the seconds squared, so we're now in meters when we times it by gravity, which is 9.8, and then we end up dividing that by 2 or timesing it by 1/2, which ends up with our velocity of 11.92464. and we use significant figures. We have meters per second, and we are good with initial velocity. And then we also have our next stuff. We will measure this thing real quick, which is, say, about 81 away from where it originally started, so we weren't the best at measuring the 90-degree angle. So we will put in actual range, 81.81 meters, which is 81 centimeters.
Okay, and now we're going to do it at 60 degrees.
60 degrees, which is the next thing we have to show.
And I have the stopwatch, and ready, go. Oh, I hit it just a second late, so let's do 1.28.
1.28?
Uh-huh. And it looks, there's our first, there's our second. It looks like it traveled about maybe 1/4 farther than the other one.
Let's measure it out.
And Alex here is going to measure it out just to get the exact measurements. And we're looking at about 143 centimeters. And again, that was for 60 degrees.
And we're done.
And done. Patrick and Alex out.